Jefferson County Court Law number 2 is back in session. Court is in session in 2 cases. First case is cause number M334182. Second case is cause number 23CCCR cause number 23CCCR0210. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Quan Duck Nguyen. Mr. Nguyen, would you please come forward? Mr. Nguyen. Your name is Quan Duck Nguyen? Okay, Mr. Nguyen is represented in this case by his attorney John Macy. Mr. Macy will proceed in cause number M334182. And in this case, Mr. Macy, the court, there was an issue raised regarding the defendant's, whether or not the defendant was incompetent to stand trial. And the court had a informal inquiry. Based on an informal inquiry, the court appointed an expert qualified on the Article 46B.022. That expert is Dr. Edward Gapon. Now, the court has before it a report that was prepared by Dr. Gapon. And before the court go any further in this hearing, pursuant to Article 1.2 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, all trials and proceedings shall be public. However, pursuant to the case of Lilly versus State, 365 Southwest 3rd, 321, the right to public trial is not absolute and may be outweighed by other competing interests, such as interest in security, such as non-disclosure of public information, or to ensure that a defendant receives a fair trial. Now, the information that is going to be covered in this hearing will involve the disclosure of non-public information. Mr. Macy, are you requesting that this hearing be closed to prevent the non-disclosure of that public information?
Yes, Your Honor.
The court finds that the party seeking the closure of this hearing has advanced an overriding interest of the defendant that is likely to be prejudiced to the defendant in that it will release non-public information. The court finds that the closure is no broader than necessary to protect the defendant's interests. And the court has considered other adequate alternatives. And the court finds that the closure of this proceeding are adequate. And based on these findings, this hearing